Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my own special cake parfait. Very special because you can see how the cakes are well arranged. You can see the cream and you can see the filling and toppings. I'm going to be using the parfait cup. I'll be using 2 piping bags that I've already cut into 2 different sizes. So the small one, I'm going to be using it for the filling, and the bigger one I'm going to be using it for the cream. I'll be using whipped cream for this cake parfait, very stable whipped cream, and the cake, of course, red velvet cake. If you are looking out to get this recipe, you can check the description box for the link to the red velvet cake recipe. Now I'm going to be using white chocolate ganache for the filling, and let's get right into it. Now, if this is your first time of stumbling on my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. I share cake recipes, cake tips and hacks, cake business conversations, and everything in between. Don't forget to turn on post notification as well. Now, what I'm going to do is get my cake and just try to crumble it a bit. And I place them carefully into the cup, like sprinkling it into the cup while I crumble it with my hand. So I use my hand to spread it so I don't have holes, and then I give it a push, just a little push, to just make it balanced. Yeah. Now I'm going to pipe all around the cup to form like a ring. Yes, right there. And I'm even going to pipe everything in between, so I won't be seeing any cake crumb at all. Next, I'm going to pipe the filling, which is the white chocolate ganache. If you are looking for a chocolate ganache recipe, check the description box. I'm going to attach a chocolate ganache recipe right there. So now I'll do the same thing for the filling. I'm going to pipe around the cup and even in between. So this is a total indulgence for my customers, and if you are doing it this way, your customers are definitely going to enjoy your cake parfait. So now I'm going to repeat the same thing over again. I'm going to add another layer of cake, another layer of cream, and another layer of filling. Now let's go. Now the layers are coming along beautifully well. Let me show you. Now see that? You can see that the first layer is well arranged and the second one is coming right on top beautifully. Now I'm going to pipe the second layer around the cup and in between the middle as well. So see that? And next I'm going to use the filling. I'll pipe around the cup and even in between. So maximum indulgence, maximum enjoyment. Yeah. Now I'm through with the last layer and I've added the last whipped cream. So I'm using a small palette knife to carefully spread it, and I'm doing that neatly. And I'm going to be adding the last layer of the chocolate ganache. This is just going to give it some aesthetics make it beautiful and presentable. Yeah, so once that is done, I can say I'm almost done with the cake parfait, but I'm not done totally. Let's see the beauty that I've just created. You can see how well I've arranged the layers, how the fillings and the cream is showing. It just looks presentable. Yeah. Now the icing on the cake, I'm going to keep this in the freezer for about 10 minutes because I want it to set, especially the chocolate ganache. It should be set before I cover it. Now it's out of the freezer, all set, and I'm going to cover it and return it back into the freezer before we will now start processing deliveries for our customers. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and the people that drop comments, I really appreciate your comments. If you have any further questions, please feel free to drop your comments. You can also connect with me on Instagram and Twitter at moscakery, same handle. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.